What's going on YouTube? This your boy DeVintage back at another video, man. Today you read the title, man. We about to do this unboxing of the Air Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott Cactus Jack, whatever you want to call it, man. Y'all know Travis Scott and Jordan Brand been doing collaborations. We've seen the highs, we've seen the lows in the Travis Scotts, and we got the 4s, of course, and we're about to get the 6s this year. But today, the topic of discussion is the Air Jordan 1 lows, man. So we're about to pull them out the box. But before we get into that, I need you right now to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more heat, more unboxings, more challenges, more pranks, all that type of stuff. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. We're right around the corner from 20,000 subscribers, so help me get there by hitting that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss another post notification, man. And also make sure you follow me on Instagram at DeVintage World, and we have an Air Jordan 4 cool gray back to school giveaway going on, so make sure you take advantage of that with the rules in the description box below, man. Let's get into this unboxing. All right, here we have it right here. Y'all see I'm in my new sneaker room, the DeVintage World room, whatever you want to call it. I'm in the new room, and I still have a lot of stuff to get. Still haven't got my stuff from Germany, but that's neither here nor there. Let's get into this box, man. Y'all see everybody last year when I was in Germany was talking about the Nike box when they got the package to the house, and it has this big swoosh. This is my first time getting the big swoosh box, the Steal Me box, whatever y'all want to call it. And this is kind of crazy because if somebody else know what Nike is, I think everybody in the world know what Nike is. Anybody can be so tempted to steal this package, but we're gonna get into it. Got no knife, no box cutters. Y'all know I'm known for that. So I'm gonna have to get in here raw dog. Pull this tape off. I can't wait to see these joints, man. See what all the hype is about. And I kept saying this is my first limited sneaker, but I need to take that back. I'm retracting what I said. This is the most hype sneaker I have in my collection, I feel like, hands down. So yeah, let's get into it. This is live unboxing, man. Pull out the box. And yes, it is the same box as the highs. You know, my boy DaRetroWizKid has a pair, and shouts out to him for letting me send this to his crib. So yeah, let's get into it. See that Nike receipt, so nobody ain't talking trash. Put that over there, box over there. And here we have it, man, Air Jordan 1. You see that brown box, you already know what it is in here, man. So let's go to here. It's red Nike, Nike over there. Y'all see what's going on. And this is a weird little size level. Check it out. We're gonna get into that in the review and on feet that will be dropping tomorrow for you guys, because I'm kind of in the time crunch. I just shot the review and on feet over the OBJ 720s. I'm gonna drop that for you guys very, very soon. But I want to get this one out to you guys now. And here we have it. Let's peel these things open, man. Peel that open real quick. That's a lot of tissue paper, boy. One more layer, and bam, there we have it. Oh shit. I need my boy DaRetroWizKid over here for this one, man. This thing is super, super loud, man. Check him out. Let's pull him out the box, bro. Here we have it, Air Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott's, man. Let me pull the other one out the box real quick. And like, hands down, this shoe is super, super loud. Like, I'm pretty sure the highs smell the same, but these right here are just straight from the factory. So here you have it, Air Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott. Check it out. I need to know right now in the comment section below if you copped a pair off the Nike app. Do you have to go on GOAT or StockX? I know those things was like 2000 when they first was rumored to release or whatever, and then people started getting pairs, and then like as a release came, they came all the way down to $750. I just checked GOAT and StockX now, and they both going for over $900 in my size. Just 8.5. Like I said, I'm a true 8.5, but I like to go in size 9, give me a little extra room. But the 8.5 will do for your boy. Here you have it, man. My most hype sneaker in my collection, hands down. Yeah, man, I don't know much to say. Like, we're gonna break it down and stuff like that with the review and on feet. But like I said, I just want to give y'all this unboxing, show y'all what I got. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Check out that Siccio mode emoji on the back of the shoe. Got the Air Jordan on the other one, man. And yeah, these things is dope, man. Like I said, I was thinking about selling them, but I was like, man, why would I sell them? It's my most hype sneaker in the collection. Why not keep it in there and get some credibility on my name, you know what I'm saying? And now your boy got a pair of Travis Scott 1 lows. Y'all do know I have the Air Jordan 4 Travis Scott's right here. Cannot wait till the purple and the brown pair drop, because I would definitely be trying to get my hands on those as well. But the ones are the most hype right now. And Cactus Jack and Travis Scott Jordan Brand did their thing with this pair. Pretty much the same as the highs, but we're gonna get into that. We're gonna do a comparison when I do the review on feet. Use my boy DaRetroWizKid highs that he got from TravisScott.com. And yeah, we're gonna get it just like that. All right, I appreciate everybody for tuning in. It's a quick video. Like I said, I just wanna do unboxing for y'all. Not a long, lengthy video. Just wanted to give y'all my reaction to getting the Travis Scott's, the first one in my collection. I want the highs so bad, but it's just too much money to pay for. I will be trying to get those eventually, sell a couple of my kicks when I get all my shoes here and try to get those eventually. I might see those very, very soon, man. But like I said, reviewing on feet will be dropping tomorrow on these guys. I hope you guys are ready. And like I said, let me know in the comments below if you have this pair, if you hit on sneakers, you had to get on StockX, and let me know how much you spent, because I know a lot of people are spending that crazy bread, thousands of dollars on this one low, man. And also let me know in the comments below if you like these or the highs better, because you know, it's people out there that like the SB dunks, that's, you know what I'm saying, the low tops. You know, it's people out there that really like the highs. So y'all let me know in the comments below right now. Appreciate all of the support. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at DeVintage World. Make sure you take advantage of the Air Jordan 4 cool gray giveaway. The rules be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, ring notification bell for your boy, and follow me over on Instagram. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.